This when I wrote about women. Here you go. A friend of mine, you ever been fishing? I went when I was a kid, I'd go all day and I'd catch shit, and then I would let the fish swim back out to reel him in again. And I was explaining to a friend of mine one day that that's how women are. And he said, so I wrote this song to him. Fishing all day and I ain't caught nothing, and I got myself a bite. The funnest part had just begun, and I hoped it would last all night. The fight was fun right up until I got him near the boat. Then I pushed the button, let out the line, and watched him sit and float. She's just fishing, it ain't love. You see it in those eyes. It's a tug here and there and a jump or two that makes her feel alive. Women and fishing are a lot alike. She don't want you on no stringer. She wants you to pull and flop around till she's ready for a ring on her finger. Well, he caught his breath and took on off, began to bend my pole. The struggle and flopping looked familiar and reminded me of my own soul. Every time that I've been hooked, it ended just the same. That fish sat there and stared at me till we both recalled the game. She's just fishing, it ain't love. You see it in those eyes. It's a tug here and there and a jump or two that makes her feel alive. Women and fishing are a lot alike. You don't want you on no stringer. She wants you to pull and flop around.